Do you want to practice your English, but you are alone at home, no teacher, no friends, no one to speak with? What if I tell you you can improve your English alone, every day, step by step? Today I will show you how. Stay with me. This podcast can change how you learn English. English with Moses.
Take your English to the next level.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to English with Moses. I'm really excited to be with you today. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. This way you practice English every day without thinking too much. Because we are posting new video podcasts and reels almost every day. All right? Let's relax, let's focus, and start together. Today's topic is very unique. How to practice English alone at home. Many learners say, I have no one to practice with. I'm just alone by myself. Listen to me carefully. You don't need people to start. You need habits. You need to create a daily routine. And this is very important. And now, I will share with you 10 powerful ways to practice English alone, every single day. Number 1, follow one. English YouTube channel. First way, very simple. Follow one English YouTube channel, not 10, not 20, just a single one. Listen every day, even if you don't understand everything. Your ears learn first, your mouth follows later. And yes, you can start with us. English with Moses. Way 2, listen to podcasts with subtitles. Second way, listen to podcasts with subtitles. Very important. Listen once with subtitles, then again without subtitles. Your brain connects sound and meaning. Even 10 minutes a day is powerful. Way 3, speak in front of the mirror. Now, this one is a little funny. Stand in front of the mirror, look at yourself, and speak. Say simple things like, today, I am practicing English. I am getting better. I feel confident. I'm excited to learn English. Don't be shy. The mirror will not judge you. Way 4. Describe your day out loud. This is very powerful. Describe your day out loud. I woke up early. I had breakfast. I studied English. I am tired but happy. This is real English, daily English. Way 5. Talk to yourself. Talk to yourself. You are not mad. Shh. Ask questions. What am I doing now? What do I want today? How do I feel? Answer in English, slowly, simply. This builds fluency. Way 6, watch movies and series. Watch movies, watch series in English. Start with subtitles in your language, then English subtitles, then no subtitles. This way you will grow gradually. Pause the video, repeat sentences, don't rush. Enjoy it. Way 7, repeat after native speakers. This is called shadowing. Listen, pause, repeat. Copy pronunciation, copy intonation, copy rhythm. You don't need to be perfect, just try. Your mouth learns by copying. Way 8, read out loud. Don't read silently all the time. Read out loud. Articles, short stories, simple texts. Hear your own voice. Feel the words. This improves speaking and confidence. Way 9, write and then speak. Write short sentences. Today I learned new words. I like practicing English alone. Then read them out loud. Writing helps thinking. Speaking helps confidence. Perfect combination. Way 10, be consistent, not perfect. Last way, but the most important one. Be consistent. Not perfect, not fast. 10 minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week. Some days you feel tired. Some days you feel lazy. It's okay, just continue. Motivational moment. My friend, you are not alone. Millions of people are learning like you. Every minute you listen, every sentence you repeat, you are improving. Trust the process. Trust yourself. English is a journey, not a race. Slow practice moment now. Let's practice together. Repeat in your mind. I am learning English. I practice English every day. I am getting better. I believe in myself. Good. Very good. Before we finish, tell me in the comments, where are you watching from? And which way you will try today? I read your comments, and they motivate me too. Thank you for listening. Thank you for trusting English with Moses. Keep practicing, keep listening, and I'll see you in the next podcast. Bye bye.